guys, it's Erica. So, you know those beautiful, hanging, majestic macrame hangers that you'll find holding plants, and it just makes your plant look like 100 times better? If I could hang up more hooks in my cottage cheese ceiling just to hang beautiful plants from macrame hangers, I would. Also, guess what? If you don't have any space to be putting more plants on the floor, that's where these macrame hangers, these beautiful, majestic, wonderful macrame hangers come in place. I started making them and I have become obsessed with it, so I want to show you how to do it. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the video, like the video, and yeah, let's get right into it. So today I'm going to show you just the easiest one that you can make. So it looks good. It's easy to do. It's one that you would find at Urban Outfitters or World Market.
Okay, so the supplies you're going to need are macrame rope, a wooden or metal ring, anything that you can hang your rope on, some measuring tape to measure out your macrame rope, and a pair of scissors or some shears, because I couldn't find any scissors, to cut that macrame rope. Okay, so the rings I found at a swap meet for like $1 for this entire pack. I think they were used for hanging curtains or something like that, but if you can find rings for cheap like that, I would highly encourage it. But if you can't find any, I'll link some down below that you can buy that are similar to these. And then I'll also link below the macrame rope that I used and then some other ones that I've used in the past. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is measure out 6 pieces of string to 36 inches long. Once you cut your 6 pieces of string, align them and put the ring in the center of all of the ropes. Once you have everything set up, I recommend you hang your macrame where it will be easier for you to braid. So usually I'll just hang mine up where I keep my curtain rod, and I'll do it from there. And once you have it set up like that, you're all ready to go. First, you're going to take your 25-inch piece of string and place it so that some is still sticking over the edge. And then you make a loop. So this is what it looks like now. And then you wrap the longer part of the string around the loop. So the loop is right here, and I'm wrapping it around the loop. It doesn't need to be super tight or super close to the top because we're going to pull on the string later. Once you wrap around as many times as you want, you put it into the loop, and then you pull on the top string. So the knot that we're going to do, you need 4 of the strands to do this knot. So the ones we're going to be using are the two strands on the outside. So this one, you cross over in front of the 2 strings, and then the other one, you cross in the back of the 2 strings. So this is what you have. The one in the back comes up, and the strand in the front comes down. And then you just pull them together to create the knot. So here it is again, just faster. So one string goes in the front, the other string goes in the back, the one in the front goes down, and the one in the back goes up. And then tighten. So the way to make it go straight down is that you want to have these 2 bumps continuously alternating. So the way that you know which strand goes in front is that if the bump is on this side, this is the strand that's going to go in front. And then the one that doesn't have a bump is the one that goes in the back. And now you can see that it's alternating.
so far, which as you can see it's just straight, and this is from the alternating of which one goes in front and which one goes in back. So if you keep the same one in the front without alternating, it will start to create a helix. So as you can see here, I have consistently kept putting the right side in front, so it made this swirl pattern. And then this one had alternating sides of which one was on top, which one was in the front, and which one was in back, which kept it straight. And then you just choose how you want the rest of your macrame to look, and you finish it up. So for the other sides, you also want to choose 4 strands for each braid, and just go down as far as you want, and I will show you how to finish it off. This is the completed macrame. To finish it off is the same way as you started it. Make a loop with a little section left over above, and you just wrap the rope around the loop that you've created. Put the end of the string into the loop and pull up. And there you go. For these extra strings, you can just cut them off. And with the bottom fringe, you can just leave it like this. You can even it out if you want. I don't mind it just looking like this, so I usually just leave mine. And then you just put a pot in. And you just made your own macrame hanger. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Of course, you can always customize how your macrame will turn out. Just a few quick tips. If you want to have 4 ropes hanging, you just do 4 times 2, so that's going to be 8 strings that you need to cut. And if you want to have 2 strings hanging, then that's 2 times 2, so it's just 4 strings that you need to cut out. Of course, you can always customize the length of how long you want it to be, if it could fit a bigger pot or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 days. Bye!